these metrics, we draw them out in the interviews, but now you have a list, for example, here of 90 metrics. And what do you do with a list of 90 metrics? That's interesting in itself, yes, but you don't know the priority in a given market. So that is where quant comes in. So when we go into a quant, we let physicians and nurses here rate each of these need metrics in terms of importance and satisfaction. So you're seeing two different, what we call value maps, which show these tiny little dots. Each of these dots is one of those value metrics or job metrics. So, and the x-axis on the bottom, so from left to right, shows you the importance. How many people said that this job metric is very important to them or extremely important to them? So we get the extremes. We want to know which of these are really, really important. Up and down, or the y-axis, is how fulfilled are, for example, physicians or nurses with that metric, with the solutions that they currently use. So that's what you're seeing here. Each of these dots is one of those metrics rated by importance and fulfillment or satisfaction by a specific target group. On the left, is it the physicians? So we asked here 88 physicians. On the right, 74 nurses in the US who told us of these 90 metrics, which of these are really important and which of these are satisfied. So you can really see the big spread, right? So there is really a difference in how they rated those metrics. Now you can actually go and understand at the very granular level what different stakeholders are telling you. So there are shared pain points which the doctor as well as the nurse have. And one of them is about working together, how they interact. Another point was that manual data entry still happens a lot in the doctor's offices, and it's a hassle. So that was a shared pain point by both the nurses and the physicians. So you have that, and of course the other points tell you other things. There is also, for example, very unique pain points. So here you see, you get a very granular, a very clear picture of what is important to your customers or stakeholders and what is really relevant.